What is project procurement? Project procurement refers to the acquisition of goods and services from an external organization, and it plays a vital role in the success of any project. This encompasses a wide range of activities and processes that are crucial for a project's efficient execution. To give you a real-world example, think about a construction project where materials like steel, cement, and heavy machinery are needed. These items are often sourced from external suppliers or vendors. The procurement process involves everything from defining the project's fundamental requirements and identifying potential suppliers to evaluating these vendors and negotiating contracts with them. This ensures that the project has the necessary resources, materials, and services to move forward smoothly. So, as we delve deeper into ITM 220 procurement and contract management, we'll explore the intricacies of project procurement and how it impacts project management. Why do project managers need to learn about project procurement? Understanding the importance of project procurement is essential for project managers, and real-life examples from the project management industry emphasize this significance. In virtually all projects, there's a need to procure goods and services. Consider a large-scale construction project, such as building a new skyscraper in a city. To complete this project, the procurement of materials like steel, concrete, and glass is essential. By following meticulous procurement processes to select the right suppliers, project managers can not only ensure the timely availability of these materials but also negotiate favorable terms, potentially saving millions of dollars in the overall project cost. Now, let's shift to the technology sector. Suppose you're overseeing a software development project. Rather than developing a complex algorithm from scratch, you decide to procure an existing solution from a specialized vendor. By carefully evaluating vendors and selecting the most suitable one, you not only save time but also reduce the project's expenses significantly. These examples illustrate that project managers play a pivotal role in the procurement process. They are responsible for overseeing these activities, making informed decisions, and ensuring that all aspects of the project align with the procurement strategy. Thus, learning about project procurement is vital for effective project management across various industries. Which bike should you get? Which bike should you get? In this simple analogy, we're faced with a common decision, choosing the right bicycle. Option 1 is a bike with a carbon frame, 11 speed gears, Shimano shifters/derailleurs, and disc brakes. On the other hand, Option 2 is a 2018 Trinity hybrid bike, equipped with a high-tensile steel frame, 7 speed gears, Shimano shifters/derailleurs, pull brakes, and added features like front and rear carriers, fenders, and a bottle holder. The choice between these two bikes is a lot like the decisions project managers have to make when it comes to project procurement. They need to carefully evaluate the available options based on specific project requirements, budget constraints, and desired features to make the best choice for a successful project outcome. Which bike should you get? Now, let's delve further into our bike analogy. You're standing in a bike shop, and you have two options before you. The first choice is the 2017 Giant Defy 2, priced at $2,399. It's a high-end bike with top-of-the-line features and a premium price tag. The second option is the 2018 Trinity Hybrid, which comes at a much more affordable price of $299. It offers a different set of features tailored to a budget-conscious audience. This decision mirrors the essence of project procurement, where project managers must consider cost-effectiveness and value for money. While the 2017 Giant Defy 2 is impressive with its premium features, its high cost may not align with the project's budget. On the other hand, the 2018 Trinity Hybrid, despite being more budget-friendly, still provides a functional and cost-effective solution for those with tighter financial constraints. In project management, understanding the balance between cost and value is critical, and this bike analogy illustrates how these decisions can impact the overall success of a project. Which bike should you get? Our bike buying analogy continues with a fresh perspective. You're in the bike shop, and now you're presented with updated prices for the bikes. The 2017 Giant Defy 2 is now available for $1,000, and the 2018 Trinity Hybrid is priced at $800. This adjustment in prices adds an interesting dimension to our decision-making process. Much like project procurement decisions often face changing variables. Now, let's relate this back to project management. In a project, prices for goods and services can fluctuate due to market conditions, negotiations, or changing requirements. The choice between the two bikes emphasizes the need for project managers to stay adaptable and reevaluate procurement decisions as circumstances change. You might have initially leaned towards the premium features of the Giant Defy 2, but with the new pricing, the Trinity Hybrid's lower cost could become a more attractive option. This highlights the dynamic nature of project procurement, where project managers must remain flexible to secure the best value for their projects. What if your criteria changed? Our bike buying analogy takes an interesting turn as we consider how changing criteria can impact your decision. Imagine you initially wanted a bike for casual city travel, but now, your requirements have shifted. You need to carry groceries. You've enrolled in a triathlon, you want the best-looking bike, and you'll occasionally be riding in muddy conditions. Additionally, you've learned that the 2018 Trinity is backordered until June. This scenario reflects the evolving nature of project requirements in the world of project procurement. Just like your bike choice needs to adapt to your new needs and constraints, project managers may encounter shifting project requirements, unforeseen challenges, or delays in the procurement process. In such cases, they must be flexible and capable of revisiting their procurement decisions to ensure that the project's objectives are still met effectively. This highlights the importance of agility and adaptability in project procurement and management. Procurement management. In the world of project management, procurement management holds a pivotal role. It's the project manager's responsibility to oversee the procurement process to ensure it aligns with and achieves the desired project outcomes. These outcomes encompass various critical factors. Technical performance. Procured goods and services must meet the project's technical requirements. Think of this as ensuring your bike has the right specifications for your needs, whether it's speed for a triathlon or durability for muddy terrain. Schedule performance. Just like you needed your bike within a certain time frame, project managers must ensure that procurement activities fit seamlessly into the project schedule to prevent delays and bottlenecks. Cost performance, staying within budget is crucial. Procurement decisions should be cost-effective, as overspending can strain project finances. Quality metrics, similar to wanting a high-quality bike, project managers need to maintain quality control over procured items or services to prevent defects or issues down the line. Understanding and effectively managing these aspects of procurement is vital for project managers to achieve project success. Much like choosing the right bike, procurement management involves making informed choices that align with the project's goals and requirements. What can be purchased? In the realm of project procurement, a wide array of goods and services can be acquired to fulfill project needs, and it's essential to see how these apply to real-world project management scenarios. Goods. Materials. These could be the steel beams and concrete used in a construction project, much like when building a new bridge. Components. Think of specialized computer chips purchased to assemble consumer electronics like smartphones. Products. In an IT project, you might procure off-the-shelf software solutions to streamline processes. Vehicles. Construction projects often require the procurement of heavy machinery like bulldozers and cranes. Equipment. Laboratories conducting scientific experiments might need to procure specialized equipment such as microscopes. Computer servers. Data centers often procure servers to expand their computing capacity. Services. Intangibles. Consulting. Consider hiring management consultants to streamline operations within a company. Testing. In the pharmaceutical industry, testing services are crucial to ensure the safety and efficacy of new drugs. Scientific research. Research institutions may procure lab services to advance their scientific discoveries. Design. Architectural firms often procure design services when working on building projects. Engineering. Aerospace companies might need to procure aerospace engineering services for aircraft design. Software configuration. In a tech project, you might procure software configuration services to tailor software to specific business needs. These examples highlight how a diverse range of goods and services can be procured to address various project requirements, emphasizing the flexibility and adaptability of procurement processes in different industries and contexts. Procuring goods. When it comes to project procurement, goods play a significant role, and it's crucial to understand how they fit into the procurement process. Goods are considered physical commodities that are often described by specific specifications and may include services related to warranty, repair, or maintenance. Let's break down this concept further. Common goods, off-the-shelf items. In many cases, projects require common goods or off-the-shelf items. These are readily available products that meet standard requirements. In such instances, a purchase order, PO, is typically issued to the supplier. For example, if you need office furniture for a project, you might simply issue a PO to a furniture supplier for the items you require. Goods requiring specification. However, in some cases, projects demand goods with unique or specialized specifications that aren't readily available in the market. When this occurs, a contract must be established to outline the specific requirements. This contract can be in the form of a service agreement to develop a detailed specification, either functional or performance-based. For instance, if you're in the aerospace industry and require custom-made aircraft components, you would need a contract to define the precise specifications for those components. Understanding how to procure goods, whether they are common or specialized, is essential for project managers to ensure that the project gets the right resources it needs to succeed. Let's illustrate this concept with real-life examples from different industries. IT project management. Imagine you're managing an IT project that involves setting up a new data center. You need to procure computer servers, networking equipment, and cooling systems. These are specialized goods with specific technical specifications. To ensure seamless operation, you might enter into contracts with suppliers for maintenance and support services, ensuring that any issues are promptly addressed. Construction project management. In the construction industry, goods procurement is fundamental. Suppose you're overseeing the construction of a state-of-the-art office building. You'll need to procure a wide range of goods, including construction materials like steel, cement, and glass. These materials must meet precise specifications and quality standards. Additionally, maintenance agreements may be established for specialized equipment like elevators to ensure long-term functionality. Healthcare project management. Consider a project aimed at upgrading a hospital's medical equipment. This would involve the procurement of various medical devices, such as MRI machines and surgical instruments. These goods come with stringent quality requirements and often include service contracts for routine maintenance and repairs to ensure the highest standards of patient care. Manufacturing project management. In the manufacturing industry, goods procurement is constant. Suppose you're overseeing an automotive manufacturing project. You'll need to procure components like engines, transmissions, and electronic systems. Each component must meet precise specifications to maintain product quality. Suppliers may offer warranty agreements and support services to address any issues on the assembly line. These real-life examples underscore the universal importance of goods procurement and the need for project managers to navigate the complexities of specifying, acquiring, and maintaining the right goods for successful project outcomes. Procuring services. In project procurement, services hold a vital role, and it's important to understand how they are acquired. Services can be closely linked to goods, such as delivery, implementation, or maintenance. Let's delve deeper into the procurement of services and draw parallels with real-life project management scenarios in various industries. Temporary personnel services, HR management. Consider a human resources project where you need to hire temporary staff for a peak workload season. You would procure services to provide these temporary employees, ensuring they meet specific skill and experience requirements. Development of a product. Product development. Suppose you're managing a new product development project. You might contract a design and engineering firm to develop a prototype based on your specifications. This service contract would outline the scope, milestones, and deliverables. Writing procedure. Compliance and quality assurance. In industries with stringent compliance requirements like pharmaceuticals, procuring technical writing services is common. These services ensure the creation of compliant standard operating procedures, SOPs, for manufacturing or research processes. Designing an item or product, industrial design in the consumer electronics sector, for instance. You might need to procure industrial design services to create the aesthetically pleasing and functional appearance of a product, such as a smartphone. Production of a number of like items, manufacturing and manufacturing projects. You may require services to produce a batch of identical items. For instance, an automobile manufacturer might contract a supplier to produce a specific number of car seats with defined specifications. Construction project management in the construction industry. Procuring services is fundamental. When building a new commercial complex, you'd contract a construction company to manage the entire project, including the procurement of materials and labor. Understanding how to procure services effectively, whether they are for personnel, development, design, or construction, is essential for project managers across various industries to ensure project success. 3 processes of procurement. In the world of project procurement, 3 distinct processes guide the entire journey, much like the stages of planning a road trip. Let's explore each process and relate them to real-life project management examples across different industries. 1. Plan. Make/buy analysis. Just as you decide whether to buy an off-the-shelf bike or custom-build one, IT project managers must decide whether to purchase pre-made software solutions or develop custom applications in-house, based on cost, timeline, and project requirements. Statement of work, SOW. In the construction industry, a well-detailed SOW functions much like architectural blueprints, outlining the scope, specifications, and goals of a construction project. Procurement management plan. Similar to planning a cross-country road trip, project managers in various industries create a procurement management plan, detailing how goods and services will be acquired, including vendor selection criteria and contract types. Prepare request for proposals, RFP in consulting projects, such as management consulting. An RFP is analogous to inviting potential partners to present their expertise and proposed solutions for a project, like inviting travelers to join your road trip adventure. 2. Conduct. Review bids. When managing an IT project, project managers review bids from software development firms, comparing their offers based on factors like cost, technical capabilities, and delivery timelines, much like evaluating quotes from different bike shops. Negotiations. In construction project management, negotiations are as essential as haggling over the price of a souvenir during your travels. Project managers and contractors negotiate contract terms, ensuring all parties are aligned. Issue contract/purchase order. Once negotiations are complete, a contract or purchase order is issued, formalizing the agreement. This is similar to finalizing your hotel reservations before starting your road trip. 3. Control. Status reports. In IT project management, status reports function like real-time GPS updates during a road trip. Project managers rely on these reports to monitor the progress of development, ensuring the project stays on course. Invoicing. Just as you'd check your expenses on a road trip, project managers verify supplier invoices for accuracy and alignment with the contracted terms. Issue change orders. Like adjusting your travel plans in response to unexpected detours, project managers issue change orders when project requirements or scope change during implementation. Contractor evaluation. After your road trip, you might review your overall experience with hotels and restaurants. In project management, project managers evaluate supplier performance to ensure it meets project expectations. Close procurement. As you conclude your road trip, project managers close out the procurement process, ensuring all deliverables are received and contractual obligations are fulfilled. Understanding these three procurement processes, whether you're managing an IT project, a construction project, or any other type of project, is essential for project managers to navigate the procurement journey successfully, delivering projects on time and within budget. Procurement strategy. In the realm of project procurement, having a well-defined procurement strategy is like charting your course on a journey. This strategy should align with the broader corporate procurement strategy, ensuring a harmonious approach to procurement efforts. Let's explore the concept of procurement strategy and relate it to real-life project management scenarios across different industries. 1. Alignment with corporate strategy. Corporate project management. Just as your road trip plan aligns with your overall travel goals, the project procurement strategy should align with the broader corporate procurement strategy. For instance, in a large conglomerate with diverse businesses, each project's procurement strategy should align with the overarching corporate goals. 2. Procurement strategies. Global sourcing, manufacturing and manufacturing. Global sourcing is akin to seeking the best raw materials or components from around the world to optimize cost and quality, similar to how you might source unique regional delicacies during your travels. Vendor optimization, retail and retail, optimizing relationships with suppliers to ensure timely product availability and competitive pricing mirrors the concept of vendor optimization. Green purchasing, environmental projects. Environmental projects often prioritize eco-friendly sourcing and sustainable practices, much like travelers who aim to reduce their carbon footprint by choosing eco-friendly accommodation and transportation options. Partnerships, IT project management and IT project management, forming partnerships with technology providers can be crucial. This is similar to travelers partnering with tour guides to explore new destinations effectively. Bulk purchasing. Wholesale bulk purchasing strategies are prevalent in wholesale industries, where buying in large quantities reduces costs per unit, akin to group discounts travelers may enjoy on guided tours. 3. Utilizing procurement tools. Enterprise software implementation. Just as a road trip may require GPS navigation and travel apps, project procurement often relies on tools provided by the organization. In IT project management, for example, specialized software may be employed for procurement, streamlining processes from vendor selection to contract management. Understanding and effectively implementing a procurement strategy tailored to the specific project and industry are crucial for project managers. Just as careful planning ensures a smooth journey, a well-thought-out procurement strategy contributes to the successful execution of projects, aligning them with corporate objectives and delivering value. Questions welcome. Throughout our presentation, I encourage you to engage and seek clarification on any topic. If you have questions or require further information, please feel free to ask in the chat box. Your active participation is essential in making this session informative and insightful. Thank you. As we conclude our presentation, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude for your time and engagement. If you have any lingering questions or need additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out. We appreciate your participation and hope this session has been valuable in enhancing your understanding of project procurement and contract management. Thank you.